Smith Wesson 586 L Comp. Ported barrel, full length lug, tritium front sight, adjustable rear, 7-shot capacity, performance tuned internals and trigger with an over travel stop, Hogue rubber grips, Hogue rubber grips, if I can say that. You can still order these new today, but you can find these used online and in your local gun store as well. This might be something to put in your arsenal, you know? I found this gun very smooth to shoot. At 36 ounces, this thing had almost no muzzle rise. That comp really helps. This would be a great appendix carry. Think about this one. Smith & Wesson 586 L Comp 357.